This is today we're gonna learn how to back up the car straight line, and this is one of the maneuver on the test. Okay, so I'm gonna talk briefly on the paper how we do it, and we go out, we're gonna do it. Okay, so usually in residential area or business, they ask you to park on the street. So this is street park, and then we're gonna backing up. Okay, and then we're gonna pull out and go. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3. So usually in residential area, your speed is about 25. Let's say your car's X move this direction. Let's say we're gonna park behind this guy. Behind. Okay. First thing you're gonna do is you have to make a signal, let the people surrounding you to know your intention. Okay, and look the back mirror. Okay, for the guy person behind you. And don't forget the little guy, for the bike guy too. Because you pull in, you cut him off. You're going to park, you're going to put here. So between the car, your car and the car is about 6 to 18 inches. Okay, that's how you park. Okay. Now the next thing is we're going to reverse, backing up. So your main job is back straight line. So from point A here, 6 to 8 inches, to point B also 16 inches. Your car down here. Okay, and just let the car go, and don't you pump any gas, anything. Okay. Now the last maneuver, they're gonna ask you to pull now and go. You have to make a signal. Okay, let the people surrounding you to know your intention, and also look the side mirror. That's what they have. Look it, and look on your left shoulder the same way that you move in. You're gonna pull now and go. All right, so that's how we do it. Okay, this is theory. Okay, this is enough. So I'm gonna go out and show you how to do it. Okay. All right. Okay, now the engine is on, so the maneuver is going to reverse. So you're going to make sure you sit, okay, and then now make sure everything okay. Then your eye has to look back. Make sure you release the brake, let the car go by itself, okay, and you go over the brake safely. That's how you back up. Now we're going to pull now. We're going to make a signal. Look the mirror. Look on your left shoulder. We're going to pull now and go. Okay. That's how you pull now. Now we're gonna learn pull in. You have to make a signal, okay? Look the mirror. You look on your shoulder to the right. We're gonna pull in, and we're gonna pull in. Make sure it's safely. Okay, about 6 to 18 inches between, your car and the car. All right. So you put into park and an emergency brake. So that's how you park the car and backing up. Okay, and that's good for lesson today. We'll see you in the next lesson. And thank you.